Hey, what's up? Jonathan Fink, Sports Card Collectors Club, and this is VeeFriends, pack opening number 17. This is the first pack of the next mega box. We got one pack of 2026 Topps Chrome Series 2. Let's rip. Ambitious Angel, Accountable Ant, Macho Manta Ray, Dapper Dachshund, X-Fractor Decisive Duck, one of the OGs, Responsive Ram, Hardworking Wombat. The Decisive Duck. By choosing quickly, he creates momentum while others stall. Yeah, that's an OG. It's an X-Fractor. It's going in the gallery. You guys take care. God bless.